Today, we learn how to design minimal poster in Adobe Photoshop. We add grunge wallpaper in background and one optical flare image in front. You can download these images from the link in the description. So, without further delaying, let's start the video. This is our main image of poster. First of all, open a new document of size 1200 pixel by 1800 pixel. I remove the background of our main image. You can watch my previous video to learn how I remove background of image by using pen tool. Link of video is mentioned in description. Now, go to filter and select camera raw filter. Convert this image to black and white, then I increase its contrast and clarity little bit. Now, go to browser and search grunge wallpaper. We use this wallpaper as a background of poster. I already download one grunge wallpaper. Now, I drag the grunge wallpaper in the Photoshop and rotate it. Also adjust the size as per poster. Then, change its blend mode to multiply. Create a mask on wallpaper and paint on the face of models to increase the clarity. Then, I select type tool and type the Forever with Lovelace font. Place the letters where you want. Then type based upon true story. Decrease its size and increase the kerning. Please comment below if you have any query or suggestion regarding this video. So, you can see, now it looks cool. Now main step of video. How to use optical flare for movie poster. Just drag the optical flare in Photoshop. Then, flip it horizontally. Then, change its blend mode to screen. Adjust the size of flare as per poster requirement. Now make a copy of optical flare by pressing Ctrl or Command J, place it about the letters. It gives very professional and cool look. So, now we add color lookup and I choose deep blues. Then I add levels and make very little changes as you can see on screen. Now, it looks cool. Now, our poster start looking similar to movie poster. If you make any poster after watching this video, post it on Instagram and tag me. Now, I add credit to poster. I just drag one PNG file of credit. Adjust the size of PNG and change its color to black. You can see how easily we make this minimal movie poster. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comments section as well as on Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.